Hello dear subscribers, it has been a long time. Sorry, my private life demands a lot of time, but now I have time for you again. And therefore I would like to start a big project with you. Follow me step by step and we create the apocalyptic cityscape. There will be a video every week, so please stay tuned. So let's go! We take this resolution, so please make sure you have the same one. We start with the perspective guidelines for the background layer. The brushes I use are shown below. You can see the size and the intensity of the brushes on the left. First we need the rectangle tool, the technical pen and the blue color. Of course you can choose another color for the background layer. We can make a perfect straight line for the horizon with the rectangle tool. Make sure the canvas is not tilted. Place the line a bit over the middle. Then we create the main street like this. Make also lines for the walkway. Then we make lines for the cross street, also with the rectangle tool. Now we are finished with the background layer and we can reduce the opacity. You can mark the layer if you like. Make a new layer. Now we start with a dark gray and the technical pen with the walkway. We already make here in the line art some details. You can hide the background layer at any time. With a new layer beneath, we paint out the lines. Like this. You don't have to choose the exactly same colors that I use. With only 3 gray tones, you get the beautiful shading. Make some more details. For cracks and details I love to use the tattoo inker. Don't forget to merge the layers. Make some more details. Through the cracks, the nature fights its way back. And add also some trash. Great, the first sidewalk is finished. I think with this project you can learn a lot of Autodesk Sketchbook, so stay tuned for part 2. The city will arrive.